Misk. I'm replacing the spider dealy bob on this wash machine. Replacing that part right there with that new part right there and new bearings. And here's the wash machine it came out of. I don't know if maybe I got myself in a little bit over my head, but anyways, there's Misk. She's helping me out so we can do this thing. She's not been very much help, but she's encouraging me anyways. Anyways, those are weights right there that go on this tub. So hopefully we get this thing back together. Oh, over there, that's the stator and the rotor assembly that goes on the back of this thing that turns this thing. Anyways, hopefully we can get this thing back together in the next day. There was a part that I was missing. This thing right here. The whole reason I had to take this thing apart was because of this stupid thing right here, which maybe you can see it's kind of like a spline type of a thing, that shaft right there, that spline shaft goes into, the whole thing freaking stripped out. So that's why I'm having to do all this crap. Anyways, hope you boys watch this. There's the front of the wash machine. And over here, here's the whole face of this gig. Here's the detergent giz. Anyways, hope you guys watch this late.